Now, this video shows how to view the, the amount of RAM that is installed on your Linux system. So if you want to know the RAM information, there are some commands that you can easily use. So the first one is the simplest, which is going to be just type this command, top, and press enter. So with this, it gives you the information about the RAM installed on your system. So for example, in my own case, this is the information I have. So you can see that I have about 2 GB of RAM installed on this particular system. So you can see the information here, and it also indicates the amount that has been used. So that is one way of determining that. Another way through which you can determine the RAM installed on your Linux system is to use the vmstat command. So we have vmstat, then with the switch command. So after typing that, then pressing enter also gives you the information. So you can see that it gives the same thing, only that in a different format. That is information I have here. So then another command that can be used is the cat command. So cat, then I'm going to be viewing the information in the memory file, and that memory file is located in the proc directory. So memory information. So pressing enter also gives me the information that is needed. So which is what I have here as well. Then you can also use, for example, the dmidecode command. That is another command that can be used. So which is going to be dmidecode. Then with the type switch, then memory, because that is what I am interested in. So pressing enter also gives you the RAM information of your Linux system. You can see that this is the information. So those are the 4 different commands that can be used to know how much RAM you have installed on your Linux system. The first one is the top command, the second one is the vmstat command, the third one is the cat command, and the last one is the dmidecode command.